I'm Todd Tracy with the Tracy Law Firm in Dallas, Texas, and I'm inside one of my inspection bays at the crash lab. The most frequent accident that happens in the real world are frontal impacts. And the most dangerous frontal impact in the world is one that is called a narrow frontal offset. A narrow frontal offset actually occurs when a vehicle strikes outside the frame rails, and you'll notice there is nothing, no structure, no nothing that will protect the survival space inside the vehicle. When a narrow frontal offset impact occurs, the people inside the vehicle, the front passenger and the driver, they receive horrible lower leg injuries. Their airbags literally move over laterally and you get no benefit from the airbags, so you have massive brain injury, massive facial fractures, and a lot of times you even get fatal chest injuries. When your vehicle looks like this, because there's no structure outside the rails, catastrophic injuries and death will occur. Why do these accidents happen? They happen because at the very last minute, people swerve when they're coming together, and the vehicles, instead of hitting head on, they hit corner to corner. And when they hit corner to corner, that's called a frontal offset impact. And by the way, they are the most frequent frontal impact because for the last 30 years, the vehicle industry has researched and determined that narrow frontal offsets are the most frequent frontal impact in the world. If you or a loved one are involved in an accident and your vehicle looks like this, and your survival space was destroyed, and your legs were crushed, or a family member was killed, please call a lawyer that fights the vehicle manufacturers every day.